What would happen if you ate only hamburgers every single day? Let's follow the timeline of your body under this diet. A hamburger isn't just meat, it's a beef patty, bread, cheese, sauces, and oils. Each part changes the nutrition. A 3-ounce cooked beef patty gives about 21 grams of protein, 12 grams of fat, and 197 calories. It also supplies iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. The bun adds around 30 grams of carbs, including 4 grams of sugar. That's quick energy, but with almost no fiber. One slice of American cheese adds 106 calories and 9 grams of fat, most of it saturated, which raises LDL cholesterol. A single burger ends up with about 418 calories, 21 grams of fat, and 515 milligrams of sodium. A Big Mac has 530 calories and 1,060 milligrams of sodium. U.S. guidelines limit sodium to 2,300 milligrams per day. Just 2 fast food burgers already reach that. In the first days, your blood sugar spikes from refined carbs, then crashes. You feel bursts of energy followed by sudden fatigue. By the end of week 1, headaches, tiredness, and irritability are common. Cortisol, the stress hormone, fluctuates wildly. In week 2, LDL cholesterol rises, blood pressure increases, and the liver starts storing fat. Studies show within 3 weeks of fast food, gut diversity collapses. Beneficial microbes like Akkermansia vanish, harmful bacteria grow. By week 4, gut inflammation appears. Markers like calprotectin and lactoferrin increase, signaling intestinal irritation. After a month, constant fatigue and mood swings appear. Depression and food cravings feel like addiction. At 2 months, liver fat resembles early alcoholic liver disease, even in non-drinkers. Kidneys strain from excess salt. By month 3, lack of vitamin C risks scurvy, bleeding gums, weak immunity. Lack of vitamin A harms vision and defense. In month 4, gut inflammation becomes chronic. Toxins leak into the blood, spreading inflammation body-wide. By month 5, neuroinflammation sets in. High-fat and sugar diets damage neurons, leading to poor memory and focus. At 6 months, malnutrition is obvious. Muscle mass shrinks, bones weaken, and even the heart muscle loses strength. After 1 year, arteries clog from high LDL, and persistent hypertension raises heart disease and stroke risk. In year 2, insulin resistance grows. With no fiber and too many refined carbs, type 2 diabetes risk rises. Long-term processed meat intake is linked to colorectal cancer. The WHO classifies it as a Group 1 carcinogen. By year 4, chronic kidney disease may develop. Low calcium and vitamin D intake weakens bones, raising osteoporosis risk. After 5 years, multiple systems decline. Heart, kidneys, brain, bones. Aging accelerates, immunity weakens. Burgers may be high in protein, but the cost is too high. Excessive fat, sodium, and missing nutrients. Health comes from balance. Fruits, vegetables, and grains provide fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants missing from burgers. The problem isn't one burger. It's the monotony of only eating them, with no variety, no balance. Science shows the body breaks down step by step. First fatigue, then organ stress, then chronic disease. Your body deserves more than burgers. It deserves color, fiber, vitamins, and balance. Choose variety, not just for today, but for the future of your life.